Welcome to your self-hypnosis and anchoring practice. Roll your shoulder back and down, lengthen the lower back. And now take a deep breath in and roll the eyeballs up as if you're looking into your own eyebrows. Keep looking up and breathe out. Keep pushing the eyeballs up and breathe out. And now take the longest and the deepest breath you have taken today. Keep pushing the eyeballs up, and now as you exhale, keep looking up and lower your eyelids all the way down. And now come back to normal breath. Observe your breath. And now bring your right palm on your heart and the left palm on your belly. Be aware of the breath. And now you can bring your palms together, bow your head down. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Continue practicing this for as many times and for as long as you need to.